Hello friends of How to Grow! Today we will learn how we can grow Italian cypresses from seeds. Andiamo! Okay, let me give you some background details about Italian cypress. This tree, of course, as the name says it, is not from North America, but from a Mediterranean country, which is Italy. So in all the area of the Mediterranean, you will find cypresses all around. And what else can we say? So this tree grows at a kind of quick speed. It grows at 15-25 centimeters per year, which is around 10-15 inches. And the lifespan of the Italian cypress can reach 1,000 a year. Actually, in Italy, in Tuscany, you can find some of them. They are 35-meter tall, and they are majestic, really. We can also say that the roots of this tree are not invasive at all, so it's perfect if you want to put it in your garden or next to a wall. It won't create any issues at the foundation of your building. And let's start talking about cones now. The seed cones can reach a length of about 25-40 millimeters, which is 1 inch, 1.5 inches. And you need to look for a cone that is brown, something like this. Don't take the green ones, otherwise the seeds inside, if has any, won't produce any sprout. And they're not pollinated, actually. So you need to look for the brown ones. And you need to store this one for 1 or 2 weeks in a warm temperature inside your house. And after 2-3 weeks, the cone will start to pop open, like this one I have. I take it very slowly because it's full of seeds, and if I start to move it too much, the seeds will all go down. Okay, so, oops, all the seeds are going down. So yeah, from this, you reach that after a couple of weeks. Okay, let's open this cone. Extract the seeds in the same way as shown in the video. Put the seeds in a kitchen paper. If you're not lucky enough to have cypresses in the area where you live, I've put a link in the description from which you can buy seeds. Fold it in the same way I do in the video. After folding the paper, put the paper in a bag and spray some water. Close the bag in the way I show in the video and store the bag for 10-15 days in a shaded area. Take the bag out after, as I said, 10-15 days and look at the nice result. I will say that here we have 20-30 potential Italian cypresses. What do you say? Now is the moment to take the sprouts one by one and put them carefully in pots. I chose compostable pot. You need to be very careful locating the sprout and put some compost around. and spray some water. And just let it grow. I really hope that you will be able to grow your Mediterranean cypress from seeds that will look something like this in around 8-10 months. This one has been growing at a pretty fast. As always, if you have queries, you can write a comment down below. Don't forget to put a thumb up and subscribe to the channel just by clicking on the nice orange icon here on the corner. See you soon. Ciao!